Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll be discussing how you can use Paysafecard on Amazon. If you're interested in using Paysafecard on Amazon, the only way to do so is through Amazon gift cards. To purchase an Amazon gift card through Paysafecard, you can visit any store near you that accepts Paysafecard or search for outlets on their website. You find an outlet near you. You can buy a gift card and make the payment through your Paysafecard PIN number. If you don't have a Paysafecard, you can purchase one in the store itself. After completing the purchase, you'll have your Amazon gift card, which you can use to make all of your purchases on Amazon, as long as you have the required amount of balance on your gift card. Now to use the gift card, go to your Amazon account and click on Payments. From there, you can add your gift card as a payment method and then use it to make purchases on Amazon. Sony hope this video is helpful for you, and don't forget to check out our other videos. Thank you for watching.